When you be on no
it's about like-minded people coming together.
Like-minded people coming together to achieve a particular aim.
That's all about political.
That's how it is.
Tiene catch and say you okay. And no more the any pentomra. So it's cause when you PPP ni ba.
Oh, that is say we mean can change say omra. Ono aduru election no. Na man ballot paper no nyame adom na PPP wo ha. Na adwen a wo susu no. Na opese nke ba no. No dey ato aba because eno na so ye pese. Ti we nya fe na me be campaign a che say fa ha. Ni a wo susu na opese wo ye no. Eno na susu. Eno na e butan for about 10 years, 12 years down the line. Now, Sir John, and okay, the time is many back when he said the good ones are still alive.
Yeah.
The good ones are still alive. Sunday, Dr. Papa Kwesi Indium, the birthday.
Oh, yeah.
73 years.
Wow. And
he's still alive. Now, or time for no penny woo. Nancy so. Yehoa, one shenesa. Inti Sunday, no, he's Kwesi. And it falls on his the day he was born. Pepe 73. No so no dey ojono no ho. Kokoi onyane chocolates ba ku bi eja. O di ni kakra. Oni e share kama. 73 years.
That's fine.
Na ye bompa say nyame beto ne nkwanem onfa bi nka ho. Na unhu the fulfillment of his dreams. Say GN banker abandada no de nsake kan ya ho nsam bebre no nyame nya adom na yentimi restore the licenses of GN Bank.
No that communication na around say I say Bank of Ghana's own team.
It's funny. I put it that way. It's funny. Bank of Ghana or a Supreme Court. What did I mention on that?
Because the matter is still at the court.
Yes, the matter is still at the court. So if yes, and if court says that restore the licenses, Bank of Ghana begas on ye. And I want you to educate me. So some of the things it's not necessary. As somebody in say High Court a ruling. So what I say, Anna ye ko appeal.
Yeah.
Said that what High Court said, we do not agree with it. Ye ko appeal no. Bank court akase Bank of Ghana more farm claims in here more defense embra to what they have said at appeal. One farm by o say media main licenses in mamo back. There's no way we can do that. And he say appeal court in the case yen say ya there now be. Meanwhile the case has been there at appeal also come on day my filing more defense da more fan call. Then you come out and say these things. Now in no empire any abutre ya train and nebechere because last week when they went yamomo 1 man I think next week or so they will have to file their yes na fe yenkoso ni wi na se court ni say as pa koya appeal no say na aye dia na yeto so Supreme Court ho ni e be kwa till baby e be duru a e be hunu se pepper e because ya wa bonti nyina ye hunu say ansem a course no entwa yi ye di adanse o yakoma mu ene ye ni enyina ehunu se daabi ni etwa no entwa yi na se Bank of Ghana no na ensem bi wo mu ayentimi nka na bonten but said ye tie bia no ye nim se nyame be na anopai ba bia nkobo yi free be a mo ken gina me say manya PPP ni no Progressive People's Party ni aka che mo say we should have a team Ghana ti asem ni you team Ghana. That's the first thing we have always talked about when we say a team Ghana. Ti say Black Star or national team or we kotoko fo umbi no am say woni agea wo bo say wo the MCs fo nyina keka ho bitio me say John wo ye nche wo mo waso mu kwan mu ada wo mu hanu ma eti a ya santi sam ye dey na wo e ko bobola wo na di phobia okofa camel nyina be ka ho na
mame nka so mchew Kumasi ampanimfo binom wo mo ka mu house of folk flash gum me enye na anu kwasi ada mpanimfo bi pa dem nim so mo ye omo ye phobia fo
omo ko wubufu nyina me ahye omo ama
yi o me nim mpanimfo bi pa wo mo fla ma kire be ma yiro ho na ise na so me ka bi na za me kwa dem ti kwaje
I love football.
Oh yeah.
I love football. Yeah. And it's good, it brings us together. It's the way I got to phone see you over here no. Oh, that be no yeah. You're can or no say Nikotoko you.
Oh, unim. We see Kotoko there. Yeah, has a folk for. Yeah, you will. Yeah, we see a bad moment. Then we see a winning it there. With the house and winning Kotoko winning. Then we see ya.
It's just on the masters. He said, "Don't open once." It's said it, you know, a team Ghana. Team Ghana, no, Kotoko ni womb, has ni womb, Diana womb, Kinfeza womb. Then we build it together. On say football, say any idea can be anywhere. But when it comes to the development of our country, why an NPP NDC, and that is why we are not developing. And now, me your opinion can make a choice or buy a He's thinking like we do. We want to build a team Ghana. It's not a group Ghana. It's not a group like a group of people in parliament discussing issues. It's a team with an aim of building a country. And this will be the idea by ye dream who say kwan be ne be fa so a anyansa mi nua dia bai se bonyunu bi kratare ho a me den na mate bonyunu na firi ho ama de na ide ayeye dia ma oman no the interest of the nation. So we say team Ghana. It is not a team MPP. It is not a team NDC. And there are some now can them can say PPP is saying that let's build a national development plan agenda 10 years 20 years enshrined in the constitution. Untimi mbana mama kan kire me say me na me NDC me buy me say me what do you call it me community day schools 200 ni ebe wie ni wasibi ni wanwie now be buy imagine na ya say free SHS buy no the core problem was infrastructure and a double now one meanwhile no be so ye community there senke yetimi addressing community day schools no say infrastructure ni free one nke ye so mu here and ka blue green yellow ni one no amba but yet obi amfa ho kwakuma nu na de buy enti no ye nsoso team NDC enti ye team MPP there ye adwen ne say nana ba for 2017 on radio like this me radio station me MPP for EB. In fact me reho that day no me see about o say papa ne say ti asemo papa ne say o pese o ye free SHS enti ye de ne say o say ye boa no on air like this I was say ye boa no ma ade na ono no asusu na me say na wasusu no na say problem bi wo ho a I was yetimi address problem ni before so be implement here can't we go that was say no de en kan ho ye de ne say was so pe ye mo anu no nye see man tia say yes sustain say den da bi enti ye problem no I say we no say o say na ade ne nya enti no say chinchina atwan and it's not a teamwork. It is not a teamwork. Share football. I made the football example. Premier League Chelsea. We referee that particular match. No, na penalty aba. I won't say ye penalty taker there. Akwa nebo. That time I think John Terry. Chelsea time. On nebo bi enim say penalty ni beto wa. But baby na dru no. Ni e pressure na aba na. Lampard, thank you. So okobade na asembe dey ebe batension na no hye na unu aduro ba koche no de beto ho because he was on form in form that time okochi penalty ni beto Lampard gina ho we die ba bia aduro mi na wasamebo a team but you understand that though when also here there but at this particular time the strength and the power belongs to me. Let me do it. Pine go by nyina na agika happen ebi na samoja and Steve Apia de nkosi wo friends South Africa 2010. That is it. He's the captain, he's the strength. He has the strength and everything. But you need him say someone in penalty ball. On the betimi abaye dey. Ashe. But that time no. Now nipa den nya that strength no that vigor na kofa de na ba no. Yemfa ma no. A teamwork. But ikromu anom na de e fe ne teamwork no. Emfa. Yen ne e dia. E men na maba power. me na me nua me na me papa me na me ni free kuro baako ye na ye achemfo ye na ye asantefo me na me wofa no sa enti ye ma okwan ye na ye Christopher it goes in there ye na free group way ye na free religious way enti ube pese ogum nua ne mu ase enti ye mpene ma wonye. So PPP is saying that Progressive People's Party is saying that let's build a team Ghana. Yenga say Kwaku free NPP, yes, you need any problem. He has the capacity and the ideas are bit media idea no. Yenfa Minister of Education. Yenfa yaw or Ato is forcing ABL finance. Yenko fanembra. Let's build it. Ni enu say o mining nyina no mining ye yen o mine enye people back for mine. Nke basa na say it bi national development plan enshrined in the constitution untimi mama kan chem say ma ba me nye we a. Nke by now come we baby ye duru no. Ka obi an bon ho be pon so betu kwan.
Ekwanim.
Ko bi an mo pon so betu kwan. Say don me asem bi won ma say ye wani kakra ne me bi wa kan. I think the last time I came here 2 weeks ago na ye ka kokoro ya na fe na aba foforo na me ka jo se kokoro ye ba bet boy hu se jo pa haya o chama jajaja we dey mfabo ho me ebo ne ba ye na me say na me tu kwan last week na me say se John me pede wo beka mfabo no ho na afabo no no mate so ye ka quality ye ka ehun nsem na kokoro no na we na say you see you have a problem or mining. If we cannot build the team, we talk about processing. Say we are can we go see factory. Ade be che no, kwakuba was a factory no. Hu hia no so afanadwene different. Papa boss was starting from Nkrumah time. Was in Nkrumah time. Nkrumah see factories no. Ana mo soja fo ya. Soja fo de hin. Kutuka na mo be se din na hu nsem no so nsem basa. So what hu nsem no. Sanko fo no na kotu ya ene ene ansana yemu ye de esusu a me koko pada ya kan be hu bi mi di kakra.
Oh, na zo koko pada kra no free system ebi wo ho kra.
Good. Yeah, a champion some can then they revived it. Then because we do not have a roadmap.
I said no crown on cars some the be a school feeding and the home can some the be o process bi ama.
You know bizarre say
senior high school for ama. Or my if at a point crown you can send chocolate day bia every day bia no our basic level. Nka nkwara no kra no sa akwara bia chocolate bia.
Omo sa wi no nya no ka chese o mema akwara bia kusua ba ko no. Ni nyina wanti ni nyina okurum a. Oman mu hanum na ebe che nkosua ai nti local producers wan ye kasa sa. Me na ka so kasa sa ye dey. Omo kasa sa e be wi no. Fe na sram. So let's have the plan. Let's have nti me Bahama, President Bahama. Me pay ba ko me boma no. Me koswa me boa na say Constitutional Review Committee recommendations omo de aba. Any the way forward. Omo betimi aye ne ntem. Na ye be hye eniema ne bibire a. Sa omo reset na ho na me de me wo. Because trust them say if the foundations are destroyed, what would the righteous man do? And to say you need foundations, you know, which is our constitution. Say ya tuna ajejemu, and I say you use your channel fe outlive the usefulness. Na to be review na yen hye ne maybe wo na say no one ye de be kwa. O de ka dada na ntia wo bre. O to mu na wasunju. O de ka dada e na ntia wo bre.
O say.
Na say wo to mu no a wasum ye dey adwo.
Ano some control mono bi o.
Oh, there be, Sir John.
Control them say mono bi esi baby a.
There be say akobe ka say pentima minto o se feel anko. Enye de akoye
Anyway.
Enye de akoye body wear so. The free original home.
Okay.
Aba.
All right.
Enti masem nyina ne say.
Okay.
The eka koku asem we ni nyina no it deals with the constitution. Say yes, a basic factory. We've seen those issues, Bibri. ye de aban sika ne de akoya de ne ye twam ne aye we aso am interchange hwe ntoko mo ko ho enye unnecessary sa na on pre na why no on pre we asem na I mean finally we dey me ma no si ho no NPP asem na mo ye mo ko fa ba ye say omo unity asem isa kan asem bi kire me de traso na me kan asem bi kire last 2 weeks me de bia me kan kire me nsem ni bi won ma bia won kire na say nke bia ye bo playback me ka kire o say so mo passum bia Dr. Banwood Baumia passum bia no pese wo kono kwan a Akoma man fa ne san kan de na po to guys me kan kire wa
nje ba chikra so retreat is as
enti sa unity no ehwa na nenamu na so I say me refi whether is a book that we learned in school or something or say to me me refi that storyline no
anansesem aya titibi
anansesem it is an insajeje no na ye to me no kutu ebe kanensem ane sa crack na beba no o mu be bere
you say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be say you know asumdue no koso na omo building e meya on maintaining
Akoma FM
yes
so amfa na po ankwa
so okokana o kan say Kim ono no a whole faction.
Okay,
so what I say omo party mu no he's a whole faction and see so ko yini free wo see Kim irrespective of the weakness ne ene mo said omo timi ye nanado say nanado 208 no mo say itimu ye ne de ana on the osi kasa ene ade na kan no mo lose nyesa na mkan ene de ba 2012 after 2012 bo say nanado se sign feda ne kasa ne yes so in the same way find a way to manage him if you think say ne kasa bi ni nema bi ni na ade bi en koye a mo nya ne saa enye saa na kutumi na kutu ni say won exact crack na beba no because baby ana pojina sisia baby ba umi agina sisia no ne supporters na de ni nyina no ye chese omo ye form 4 a omo ze mo se mato aba no manya mo de ama na wi ana na po no so wo the other side so say ken na po ye fine we are we
o me awe pa o wa kan say ken
very good
one na po de
unim say na po super di pa ni afenyo
ai ana ken so padi pani afenyo
thank you enti ya hu baby na fofo na gro no guru no enti sa hu pe yakoya election malusi me di wachi me de me parent ni mate asem na madam fo pa me ne kon na kra na be krom ha me ne ye bibia no wono so ye running mate enti sa open here dia ene nyina nka mom ne yenye na wasa akwa tu ono so afiri wasa ko masa na nyeze se ne opesa wo te party I think the rumors being affair say
you are making a good point.
It is a open ho asem a. Say na me ka cho say open ho asem a. Wo de fa onsa koka. De odi bebe bia obenya problem. Nti wo de on unity talks a we nchichemu bia ni maintain. Ya maintaining na po. Ya maintaining we na affair de aka nyina no. Yesremo na po so won say crack bi ba ene wona fofo ne nkasa. Ene onua no nkasa na mututu yi.
Say you dey no almost nyano crack. The base movement no almost nyano crack.
Na me cho say na
can base movement no matter no
hwese say na po
ya so me press conference but I'm saying no
na po ya unim say ne padipa ne ode no
oh yeah I know minim say by you omo you know ankasa
enti na me say won pro won asem a jemu
I say na po no de I was say ba umia so pasumdua na opese pa sa unity talks nyina wo de opa won jai onfa no so eno ano no mo abe kwa ko mo abe ya die ni we fo mo ama na kama but the moment you change him na asade nkomo
so what change ni dia na yeso ko fo bi fufuro na aba na wana na ba na ye ne ya ye campaign ama na ye bia ye nipa ye nim se bia wo line no one ye de kayesu ye de ni na wanfana ma na sa na ene na obere na wako na is a loose na even say ni omunzo ne say fear ewo na pomu ho friends e ba umia no so ho ne say omuhu ne say wan hwe ya omo sa de na posa to so a na o masa ko loose
o na ba say chairman
so what I say
experience dey o say Dr. Machubuku prem onya e wo campaign this ani mani nyina no I mean for now I build this ani is about say they can say they so mu wi a e wo so mo manage no politics management that can we then irrespective of baby mampani kofo a ye bo a ye kobo ni din nyina mampani kofo mu nyina am say o manage wo mo enti politics in their management e ka ho bi enti irrespective of the oyana na anu amu hunu say na bi eba o mu lose ani ade no they can still go with him na oma manage no se niam bi o mu jare so onye previously no ene amu nya na manenye this is very simple ti incident no say edi hu ba obi campus
say omo pen 2028 is den ye omo van ko 32 o baby oh na say me kan no kra no de o say woni age de be me kan na da ba ko no
wa kan de asiso
omo pen no 2028 say omo win power but 2028 power winning no so no emfa 32 it omo hu say 28 no so de say pese ya win de ani bia nka bia enko ka ye ka we no so de ani 41 na e be ko be bia 28
nti utufo
nti me tufo
say for unity to
prevail. Or maintaining Napo.
They should maintain Napo.
No more manage whatever they think is wrong with him. Now the politics in the campaign. No lose fairly. Come on.
Thank you. Zawaje? Any